game. Okay, this game is what we call the spelling game. Pero hindi po yung pewang, hindi yung ginagamit, hindi po ganun. Okay? For example, spell birthday. Go. B. I. R. R. O, natin mo na, T. T. H. T. A. Clap your hands. Very good. Now, Tito or Daddy, last man standing. Okay? Wrong spelling po or wrong letter in 3 seconds po. Hindi po kayo nakasagot. Or mali po yung sagot ninyo, you're out. At kapag na-out, may consequence po na gagawin dito sa harapan na hindi nyo makakalimutan. Okay? It's for fun. Give your best. Last man standing. Wrong spelling, wrong letter, in 3 seconds you're out. At kapag na-out po, may consequence po na gagawin dito sa harapan na hindi makakalimutan kailanman. Okay? Again. Ready? Don't worry. Basic words lang po ito kaya kayang-kaya nyo. Okay? Ready? First word. Before we start, once again, to all the guys, mommies and daddies, palakpakan nyo ba ating mga daddy? Clap your hands. Ready? First word. Spell the word amoxicillin. Basic lang yan, ha? Amoxicillin. Go! A-M. Ano po? O. Si po ang sinabi niya eh. Sige. Sige, okay lang po yan. Hindi, trials pa lang yun. Nagsinagama na rin siguro yan, ha? Trials lang po yan, ha? Trials po lang yan. Trials pa lang yan. Ito, game na. Hindi po, hindi. Dito muna tayo. Okay, sir. Dito ko, sir. Okay. Again, trials pa lang yan, ha? Now, this time, ito game na po, ha? Galingan po natin. Ready? First word. Spell the word pneumonia. Go! E. Double G po ang sinabi niya. You're wrong. Sir, dito ko muna sir sa harapan, ha? Gagayahin mo ng pusiko si ate para sa consequence natin, okay? Pneumonia, P-N-E-U-M-O-N-I-A. Ready? Gagayahin mo lang po, ha? Ready? Then music, please!
Yeah! Yes!